Hey guys, I just made a whole movie trailer with a free open source AI on my laptop, and let's have a look.
Deep blue, Earth's oldest creatures, moving to a clock older than time. Some places exist only in our imagination, yet it is imagination that gave us wings to fly above the mountains. When sunlight travels 100 million miles to touch our poles, the sky catches fire. A love letter from the cosmos.
The whole video goes for about 2.5 minutes. I'm not going to play everything here. If you're interested, I will leave this whole trailer in the end of this video. What is most like comments in my channel? It is this one, guys. And these comments got 2.3 thousand likes. And you tell me one thing is the biggest barrier entry into local AI generation is the hardware restrictions. After a long period of search and compare so many different platforms, and I found the best solution for you guys right now, and which is RunningHub. And this is a cloud ComfyUI workflow platform, allow you to run ComfyUI on your computer, but without using your own GPUs. There's one big problem with this website, because if you come to the main page, it looks very confusing. And you have Ctans 2.0 here, Minimax H3 here. And when it goes down, you have all these templates and everything costs money. But don't let this fool you. This actually, the good stuff is hiding deep down the manuals. And if I don't tell you, you probably never will find out. All right, the first thing I want you to do is come to this search bar and search for my name. Type prompt mastery. So once you search it, you come to author. And then I'm the number one. So you click in this one, and then you will come to my profile. So when you're here, don't forget to follow me. All right. And then go to workflows. And I want you to launch this one, Minimax text to video. So this is the workflow I use to make all the videos you see in the beginning of this video. All right, once you click in and you come to this page. So this is called the workflow loading page. So we're about to load ComfyUI on your computer on this website right now. All right, and then I will leave the link of this workflow on the description of this video. So once you come to this page, and we can just click on launch on the cloud. But then you ask you to sign in, and now just sign in with your Google. Once you sign in, you can click your profile account here to check your balance. And if you use my affiliate link to sign up, you should receive a 1,100 coins. And if you sign up without my link, you will only receive 100 coins. So make sure you use my link to sign up, guys. So, and now it's time to play. And we just click on launch on the cloud. And take a few seconds. Now we load a whole ComfyUI workflow. And if you're allergic to spaghettis, do not panic, because this is going to be super simple. I want you to zoom in with your mouse to come to this green box right here. All right. So this is all you need to touch in this whole thing. Just ignore every other thing you see in this whole thing. If that makes you uncomfortable, all right, just zoom in all the way. Like, let's focus on this one point. And this is your prompt. All right. So this is a text to video generator, which also have a capability of an image to video generation, but I'm not going to cover in this video. So now you have a text box, and all you need to do is write a prompt, say what video you want to generate. And I already write a prompt here for you, so you don't even need to write your own prompt. So everything's done for you. You just need to hit this little green button on the top, hit run. So once you hit run, it says submitting, and then it's starting to generate. And then you have a timer counting on the taskbars, right? So there's a timer counting, and then the model start to load. If you're not allergic to spaghettis, you can zoom out and have a look. Say the nodes are traveling along the lines, and what you need to focus on next is this one, this green box right here. We'll have a progress bar start to show up, and once this progress bar all the way come to this side, your task will be finished, right? And then that we know how long it would take. So what we're gonna do is, I'm now gonna explain a little bit about the settings, because I already did everything. You don't need to touch anything, all right? So the megapixel is 0.9 for this video, and aspect ratio is 16:9, all right, which is a wide screen. and then the duration is 8 seconds, right? You don't need to touch this, but you can if you want to, right? So, and then that's it. Now we wait. And I want to say we have about 1,061 coins. I want to say how much does this generation going to cost me in coins? Right now we're about 2 minutes and 40 seconds. We finish the whole green bar here. Now we're just waiting for the video to be decoded. All right, so video is decoding now. Now we got videos, and then it takes 3 minutes and 13 seconds. And the funny thing is I did a one test run before, and it takes exactly 3 minutes and 13 seconds. All right, first let's look at the result. Let's have a look. Ooh. That is a very good quality 720p video, very cinematic. And how much did that cost us? Cost us only for about 40 coins, guys. 40 coins. So you have 1,100 free coins to start, and you can generate 27 videos of this. So I only generated 10 videos, and I created a whole cinematic movie trailer, and think what can you do with almost 30 clips? And more ridiculous thing is, if you come to your membership here, and if you click active, and that's just come to the monthly plan, right? Let's look at this $10 plan, like per month. And how many coins you're gonna receive? 36,000 coins, guys. And 30,000 coins divided by 40, and you can generate 900 clips with $10. And how much does CDance 2.5 cost? I think it's like $2 per second. So you can generate 900 of 8 seconds videos with Minimax on this platform with ComfyUI Cloud and zero setup, because everything I've set it up for you. I've downloaded all these models, I upload all the LoRa's, and so you don't have to, and there's no error codes. Yeah, speak of error codes, the number 2 biggest complaint I heard in this channel is always get error codes on ComfyUIs. And no more, guys, no more error codes, because I troubleshoot everything for you, so you can just come in and enjoy. All right, putting in your prompt and hit run. That's all it takes. You can't get simpler than that. And then the other thing is, I want to explain why, after compare so many different platforms, like RunPods, and eventually I decide to use RunningHub. The reason is, if you do the mathematics, is when you run the workflow on the standard, which is 24 gigabyte GPU they have in the cloud, it's RTX 4090, right? It's very powerful GPU. And then you actually got billed as per second, right? So that means you only get charged the coins when you actually run the workflow. But if you actually use ComfyUI a lot, you should know a lot of time we're not actually running the workflow. A lot of time we're actually adjusting the prompt, we prepare the images, we're doing this and that. So 1 hour of work, I probably only run GPU for like 20 or 30 minutes. And then the rest 30 minutes we're idling. And if you are in the run pod, you will get charged by per hour. And then regardless if you're using it or not. So that's why I think RunningHub is a winner. Why I say this is a free platform is, on the description is, you actually have infinite coins. So every day, if you log in, says in here, you receive 100 coins for free every 24 hours. And that can generate you 2 really high quality 720p videos every single day. And if you just casually playing with this tech, that's more than enough. And then if you use something like Z Image Turbo, you can generate like 10, 20 photos every day. That's infinite coins. And to put cherry on top, after research everything, right? If you actually buy the $10 plan, you come here, you can run 2 tasks at the same time. This is not a GPU runs on your computer anymore. This is a cloud services. So what it does means is they can allocate 2 GPU for you to run at the same time. And then if you go for like, I think was a $29 a month plan, you can run 5 tasks at the same time. They give you 5 RTX 4090 to run. And that's crazy. And then for those people that's really hardcore, right? They have a 48 gigabytes of GPUs, and then which bill is double. And I think I just noticed recently on here, they have 600D in here to run. And I don't even know the price, you know? So that's what I'm saying. Like, this website is super niche and no one knows about it. which I urge you guys to try it on, because I think they're not gonna do this forever. Yeah, this is pretty much free for you to use. I think this website is super popular in China. They're just trying to develop in the Western societies, and so not a lot of people know about it. I think the price will go up, and I think the coins probably will reduce. So just get it on, try it out before everybody rushing in. And last not least, this is all my generations right here in my main account. And I prepared a prompt pack for you guys. So which is all the prompt I use to generate all 10 scenes you see in my intro videos. And also, if you want to try to deploy locally, I'm including the exactly same workflow on the website. I forgot to show you guys. So for those of you that tried this workflow and really liked it, and you want to deploy on your local computer, you don't even need to download my workflow. You just come here. There's one button says export workflows, and export, and then you got your workflow and drag into your ComfyUI on your local computer and you run, and save you all the headaches to download this workflow and setting up all the nodes and find out it doesn't work and waste all your time. Right in here, you try this workflow out, and if you like the results, download, run it locally. So this is a perfect gateway for you to get started and then become serious. You want to buy your RTX 5090, right? You want to invest 10 grand on your computers, but you don't know what you get into. Try this one first. It's like $10 a month. Like if you're serious, like, or just use it for free. I hope I explained everything clear enough for you guys. And now it's time to enjoy this movie trailer.
In the cities where neon never sleeps, we built whole worlds from steel and glass and light. But the true giants live below, in the deep blue, Earth's oldest creatures, moving to a clock older than time. Some places exist only in our imagination, yet it is imagination that gave us wings to fly above the mountains. When sunlight travels 100 million miles to touch our poles, the sky catches fire. A love letter from the cosmos. In the desert, time slows until you can hear the sand move. A caravan is a river carrying a people's oldest memories. The earth has a heartbeat. When it wakes, the lava flows. And we remember that this planet never truly sleeps. Higher still, past the clouds, past the sky, the earth becomes a blue marble, floating in a darkness we cannot yet measure. But life begins in the gentlest places. Water falls again and again, and that simple cycle feeds every living thing. The sea has a temper. When the storm comes, it reminds us in its oldest voice that we are only passing through. At the edge of the cold, the glacier has stood silent for 1,000 years, keeping the story of the Earth's every breath. But we refuse to bow to the storm. We raise our sails, we break the waves, and we write our names into the unknown. From the deep to the stars, from the desert to the poles, this is our one and only home. And its story is far from over.
Watch more ComfyUI workflows from my channel by clicking this playlist. Otherwise, like, hype, and subscribe to the channel because there's more awesome content coming. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.